It's the C50HI in-ear headphones by JBL by Harman. A good choice or a good kind of headphones. Hi guys, this is Ryan. Welcome back to my channel. Now if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button, and we're taking a look at all the tech stuff, especially earphones and Bluetooth speakers and other things on this channel. And now the big question is C50HI in-ear headphones from JBL a good quality headphones, and what can you say about it? Now this has been out in the market for so long, but many people are asking, is it still okay to use, or how about the quality? Is it worth buying for? Now if you take a look at this earphones, it costs for about 1,000 pesos, or almost somewhat like $10 plus. And this earphones is available all throughout all shopping outlets and online stores. So people are asking, is this still good? Maybe some of them want to have this as a gift for somebody, and let's go take a look at this. So the earphones or the headphones are not here in the box already, and it's here. By the way, if you want to check out the unboxing, what's inside the box, I will put a link on the description, or put somewhat like somewhere here a link to it. So this is how it looks like. The headphones look like this. We have here in this white variant, so take a look at that. Let's first take a look at the earbuds. Somewhat like your regular earphones that you have, but one thing different is this is JBL. We have here the earphones, this is white, so the earbuds is there, and of course we have here, if you can take a look at that further, we have there the JBL brand. Yeah, take a look at that. So that's it, and of course it's shaped like that. You can really get into your ears, and this one has a small design, so it's kind of small, that really fits the ear. By the way, if you can't be comfortable with these earplugs right here, we have extra earplugs on the box, so you can see that on the unboxing. Now the wires for this is somewhat like very thin, so take a look at that. The wires are very thin and fragile, so one of the things that you have to consider when buying these earphones or headphones is you have to take care of this, so you don't pull it out, you don't stretch it farther, because it will easily break. But then this one's very light. One good feature also is it has this mic here and push button control. So when you push this once, you answer a call, you play, you pause, and then if you want to go to the next track, you just have to press that twice or thrice if you want to get back. So very simple, very functional. By the way, if you want to know how the sound of the mic sounds like, I'm gonna put a video in between this video, and let's check it out. So here's the sound of the JBL C50HI in-ear headphones mic. Sound check, testing mic, sound check, testing mic. Hello guys, good morning, this is Ryan. Please subscribe to my channel. Sound check. So this is how the JBL C50HI in-ear headphones mic sound. Tell me what you think. Now let's get back to the main video. So here you go. So after checking the mic right there, we have here now the cord. So here you go. This is quite long, so just enough, just like those standard wired earphones. And we have here the headphone jack. So there you go. This is the very simple, straight to the point headphones from JBL. Now for the sound, I tell you, this is good sounding. Now if you want to enjoy JBL sound with less money out of your pocket, I think this is a good one. This is a good buy. It's wired, so you don't have to charge it or anyway, but the sound is good. So you have balance, mids, highs, and lows, but you can really hear the thump of the bass, and that's one good thing to consider. Now this is the C50HI, so bass sound, lightweight, comfortable, one button, universal remote, comfortable fit, and good earplugs. Now this is well recommended. If you need somewhat like a wired, simple, straight to the point in-ear headphones or earphones, you better buy this one, and this is recommended. So everything is there. This is the box. Make sure to buy original JBL products, because maybe at some point you might find other other headphones like somewhat having this kind of design, but it's not from JBL, so beware of those. All right, this is right. Tell me what you think. Some of you may have this kind of headphones already in their collection. What can you say? Are any things that I missed? And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.